This is a brand new 2014 Ford F-150 King Ranch. It has a 5.0-liter 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a voice-activated navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, power-adjustable driver pedals, a power moonroof, a low-tire pressure indicator, a voice-activated entertainment system, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and a trailer brake controller. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.